Gabriel Canada, owner of Wintech. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Gabriel, can we know please what are the new products for Wintech in 2015?
Well, in 2015 we are releasing new products for our paraglider line. First we have the Altair, which is already certified in 3 sizes. It's the new entry glider. It's a ANA glider in 4 sizes, and is replacing the Impulse, which was a very successful paraglider for beginners. And this is a project which is already in the market. And we also have another product very interesting. That's the Bali. The Bali is a B-class glider. Actually, I have to tell that we named the gliders with the first letter. Altair A for ENA, the Bali B for ENB, and the Capri, the new C glider, for ENC. So the Bali is the new B-class glider, which is very good product, very optimized in line reduction, also in weight, and it's a glider which is outstanding for the handling and the thermal capabilities. It can go up in very turbulent and rough thermals because the handling is extremely well, and also we find that the performance is very high for a B-class glider. It replaced the Zephyr 2. It's also safer, less nervous, in spite of having such a good handling. The passive safety is extremely high, and we are very happy with this project. Actually, we have the M size in the market. It's already certified by Air Turquoise. And finally, the last product we are going to release in a few weeks is the Capri. The Capri is the new ENC glider, which also replaced the Phoenix. And we went down in the aspect ratio from 6.6 to 6.2, which means it's more forgiving, and it's also more commercial-wise. Many people can fly this C-class glider. When the previous C-class win, it was very hot and very demanding paraglider. And I think performance-wise, it's also very interesting. It has a little shark nose in the leading edge, and it has also very few lines, about 220 meters of lines, which is a very good number for a C-class win. So performance-wise, it's the same performance as the previous glider, having much less aspect ratio. This is a very good thing that we have accomplished, and we think that market-wise is going to be very responding. In the parachutes, we have now all the range of parachutes certified. The ultralight, which is they start at 1 kilo up to 1.4 kilos, and we are very happy, and we are having such a great success with the Rogallo type parachute. We call it Windsor's Drive Light, because it's also very light. 1.6 for a Rogallo type is very light, and volume is also quite small. It comes with a pre-brake system, so when you release the parachute, even if it is tangled or it has a twist, it's still working fine like a normal PDA parachute. But weight and volume is probably the lightest in the market, and this is a product that the market is demanding all the time.
Thank you, Gabriel. Thank you for your time.
You're very welcome.